Hello everybody, today we are going to discuss about the universal decimal classification under library classification practice, and we will cover today some example under class number 5 to 9, that is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so today's topics is basically the examples under class 5, that is mathematics and natural science, examples under class 6, that is applied science, medicine, technology, example under class 7, that is arts, creation, entertainment, sports, and example under class 8, language, linguistics, literature, examples under class 9, geography, biography and history. Okay, so first is on the science. So the title 1, the satellite of Saturn in second orbit. So you see there is a class number in the schedule for Saturn is 523.46 is for Saturn. Then there is a special auxiliary under 52, that is 52-87 for satellite, and we will put a asterisk sign for non-UDC number for second orbit of the Saturn. So the final class number will be 523.46-87 asterisk 2. Then title 2, measurement and construction of primary components of alarm signal. So 528.08, that is measurement and construction, and 528.084 is primary component for measurement of construction. This is basically there is a instruction that is 528.08 is subdivided as 53.08. Again, in 53.084 there is an instruction that is 62-12-8 and 66-9. All these special auxiliaries are applicable to 0.08. So the class number will be 528.084-783.1. So next title, that is title 3, energy of helium 5. So helium 5, the class number is 539.128.55 and 539.12216. There are some provisions are there. Energy is in the 16. So the class number will be 539.128.551.6. Okay, so this 1.6 is taken for energy. So this class number 539.128.55 and then 16. So the point will be after 3 digit. And for title 4, the magnesium alarm. This is basically the molecular formula. So MgAl2SO4 3. So you see here the valency of the aluminium is 3, that is trivalent aluminium. So the class number for aluminium is 546.62, and for trivalent there is an instruction under 546.6. So trivalent, so 3 is assigned for trivalent. Then trivalent aluminium will be 546.623, and sulfate, the class number is 546.226, and magnesium class number is 546.46. So the class number will be 546.623 apostrophe 226 apostrophe 46. This is a special auxiliary device. Then title 5, isotope of trivalent uranium of mass number 234. So uranium, the class number is 546.791, trivalent, that is 546.773, that is actually there is an instruction that is 546.791.2/0.6 is subdivided as 546.772 to 0.776. So 546.791.3 will be the trivalent uranium, and there is a special auxiliary under 54, that is 54.027 for isotope, and asterisk 234, that is 234 is the mass number of the uranium isotope. So the final class number will be 546.791.3.027 asterisk 234. Then title 6, acid radicals of organic nitrous oxide. So organic nitrous oxide is in 547'117.25. Actually 547'112'19 subdivided as 546.12.9. So 546.172.5 is nitrous oxide. Therefore 546'117.25 will be the organic nitrous oxide, and acid is there in special auxiliary of 54, and radicals also special auxiliary under 54. So the final number will be 547'117.25 -32.025. Next, title 7, the analysis of salinity of groundwater. So 556.31, that is properties of groundwater, then 556.114.5 salinity, and 556.314.5, that is the salinity of groundwater. Actually there is an instruction 556.31 subdivided as 556.11, and analysis is in the special auxiliary, that is 0.047 under 556. So the class number will be 556.314.5.047. And in title 8, recording for examination of gaseous hydrocarbon deposits at salt dome at Indus Gangetic lowland. So you see types of gas deposit is in 553.981.23, and there is an instruction, that is 553.981.23 subdivided as 553.982.23. So the class number of salt domes at the gas deposit will be 553.981.234, and recording for examination, this is in the special auxiliary under 553, so 0.087, and the Indus Gangetic lowland will be within parenthesis 1-9 to 5.61. So the final class number will be the 553.981.234.087 within parenthesis 1-9 to 5.61. Then you see class 6. So class 6 is basically the technology and applied science. So title 1 is effect of vitamin K in blood circulation. So class number for blood circulation is 612.13, and effect of vitamins is under the common auxiliary under 612, that is 0.015.6, and vitamin K 577.161.5, but there is a instruction, that is 612.015.6 subdivided as 577.16. Therefore the vitamin K for blood circulation will be 612.015.615. So the final class number will be 612.13.015.615. Then title 2, marble masonry structure by rotary piston. So the class number for masonry structure in natural stone is 624.012.1, and marble 624.012.148. Basically this is constructed by using this instruction, that is 624.012.11/.12 subdivided as 553.5 to 0.6, and rotary piston is in the special auxiliary under 62-133.2 is rotary piston, and the class number will be 624.012.148 6-133.2. Then title 3, Hindu dishes in winter season. So 641.565 Hindu dishes confirming to the religious, and there is an instruction that is religion by putting the colon. So Hinduism number is 294.5 and winter is within double quotation 3 to 4. So the class number will be 641.565 colon 294.5 within double quotation 3 to 4. Then title 4, the malleable cast iron metallurgy for permanent magnets as special protective device. So malleable cast iron class number is 669.131.8. Then permanent magnet 669.018.582 and special auxiliary, that is protective device, as instructed under 669-229, that is 62-783.6 is special protective device. So the final class number will be 669.131.8.582-783.6. Then another example, coded error correcting alphanumeric system used for statistics. So class number of alphanumeric system is 681.3.048, coded error 681.3.04 and there is an instruction under 681.3.04, okay, and 311 is for statistics. So the final number will be 681.3.048.5 colon 311. Then title 6, calorifier as boiler plant equipment for atmospheric control heating system. So atmospheric central heating system, the class number is 697.55 and there is an instruction that is 697.55 subdivided as 697.51, and you see in 697.512 there is a boiler plant. Again there is an instruction that is 697.512 subdivided as 697.32 and the calorifier number is 697.328. So class number will be 697.552.8. Then title 7, method of consultancy service of the West Bengal government organization. So consultancy service 659.2, government organization 061.1, West Bengal within parenthesis 541.23, method, that is special auxiliary under 65. So the class number will be 659.2.012 colon 061.1 within parenthesis 541.23. Then title 8, agricultural operation for pollination using computer controlled machine. So pollination class number is 581.162.3. Actually there is a instruction that is 631.522 subdivided as 581.16. So the class number will be 631.522.23 agricultural operation for pollination, and there is the special auxiliary under, that is 66-933.6 computer controlled machine. So the final class number will be 631.522.23-933.6. Then class 7, that is art, recreation, entertainment, sports, etc. So the title 1, art of early French Renaissance. So you see the early Renaissance is 7.034 triple.4 and France is within the parenthesis 44, and there is an instruction under 7.033 to 0.035. So according to this instruction, the class number will be 7.03 within parenthesis 44 then 4. So you see this 3 dot number will be replaced by the other number, that is the place. Then title 2, architecture of high-rise Western church. So church architecture, that is 726.54, and there is a instruction that we can use the colon sign for other types of church. So 282 to 288 is Western church, and high-rise building is 72.011.27, that is special auxiliary. So the class number will be 726.54.011.27 082/288. Then title 3, floral iconography in mosaic stoneware. So you see, stoneware is 738.3, mosaic is 738.5, iconography is 73.04, that is special auxiliary 04, and flora is 73.045, that is also special auxiliary of 73. So the class number will be 738.3 apostrophe 5, that is the superimposition of these two facets, then 0.045. Then title 4, sponsorship for interior decoration of library building of West Bengal. So 747 interior decoration, 7 to 7.8 library building, sponsorship, that is special auxiliary under 7, and West Bengal number. So the final number will be 747.078:727.8 within parenthesis West Bengal number, that is 541.23. Then title 5, electrography according to the size for religious photograph. So electrography 772.93, sizes 77.068 and 77.04 is photographs according to the subject, and there is a instruction that is 77.04 subdivided as 7.04, and you see in 7.04 7.3 is religious subject, so the 77.04 6.3 will be the religious photograph. So the final number will be 772.93.068.046.3. Then title 6, judges for satire theatre, 792.225, that is satire theatre, and there is an instruction that is 792.22 subdivided as 82-22. So again 792.072.4 judges for theatre. There is also an instruction 792.07 subdivided as 7.07. So the class number will be 792.225.072.4. Then title 7, characteristics of rotary valve as photographic equipment used for engraving of wood. So 771 photographic equipment, 77-1-8 characteristics of photography equipment, and 77-32 basically the rotary valve. Actually there is an instruction 77-125 subdivided as 62-125. So an engraving is under 762.1 and wood is 76.023.1, that is special auxiliary. So class number will be 771-32:762.1.023.1. And title 8, rehearsal for military orchestral music. So 785.11 orchestral music and 785.13 military music and 78.091.2 rehearsal. This is basically constructed by using this instruction, that is 78.09 subdivided as 7.09. So the class number will be 785.11'13.091.2. Then class 8, that is language, linguistics and literature. So title 1, lexicography of extinct Pali language, 811.212 Pali language. Actually 811 is language and can be derived by using the language common auxiliary. Again 81'374 lexicology, 81-24 extinct language. These two are special auxiliary. So class number will be 811.212'374-24. Then title 2, jargon in the language of Bengali salaried person. So 811.214.32 Bengali language, and jargon is basically the special auxiliary of 81, and salaried person taken from the person table, that is -057.73. So the final number will be 811.214.32/276.4-057.73. Then title 3, common noun in modern Hindi language, 811.214.21 Hindi language, 81'06 modern, that is special auxiliary, and 81'367.622.11 that is common noun. This is also a special auxiliary. So the class number will be 811.214.21 apostrophe 06 apostrophe 367.622.11. Then title 4, Indian literature in English language. 821.111 English literature, and India number is within parenthesis 540. So as per instruction under 821, the class number will be 821.111 within parenthesis 540. Then title 5, Poetical works of Rabindranath Tagore. So 821.214.32 Bengali literature, 82-1 poetry, and Rabindranath Tagore. So there is an instruction under 82 A to Z. So TAG for Tagore. So the final class number will be 821.214.32-1 TAG for Tagore. Title 6, Criticism of Spanish Fiction, 821.134.2 Spanish literature, 82-3 fiction, that is -3 special auxiliary, then 82.09 special auxiliary criticism. So the class number will be 821.134.2-3.09. Then title 7, Critical Appraisal of Gora, written by R.N. Tagore. So 821.214.32 Bengali literature. Then 82 7 GOR, TAG for Tagore, 7 for individual work, and GOR for Gora. And 82.09 is criticism, and 0.03 for translation, equal to 11 for English language. So the class number will be 821.214.32 TAG 7 GOR 0.09 0.03 equal to 111. Then title 8, Incomplete Collection of Percy B.C. Shelley. So 821.111 English literature. So 82SHE means Shelley, 2 means incomplete collection. So the class number will be 821.111 SHE2. Then 9, that is Geography, Biography, History. So title 1, Pictorial poster of scale 1:10 lakhs as non-textual representation of India in 20th century. So non-textual representation in 912. Then pictorial poster 912.45. Actually 912 subdivided as within parenthesis 08, that is form, and the pictorial poster, that is within parenthesis 08 4.5, and scale 1:10 lakh scale. This is also there is a instruction, that is 912 subdivided as 08. So the India number is within parenthesis 540. 20th century is within double quotation 19. So the final class number will be 912.45 within parenthesis 08 4.3 -16 within parenthesis 540 within double quotation 19. Then title 2, Geography of Ancient Rome. So 913.7 Geography of Ancient Rome. Actually there is an instruction, that is 913.2 2.9 subdivided as 3239. So 3239 from the place auxiliary. So ancient Rome will be within parenthesis 329. Okay, so the final number will be 913.7. Then title 3, Geography of Sundarban Delta. So 911.2 Physical Geography, 556.54 Delta, and within parenthesis 541.23 West Bengal, and 541.23 SUN for Sundarban alphabetical. So the class number will be 911.2:556.54 within parenthesis 541.23 SUN for Sundarban. Then title 4, District Settlement in relation to housing of widowed person. So 911.375.64 district settlement, 7 to 8 housing, and widowed person taken from the person table, that is person common auxiliary -058.835. So class number will be 911.375.64 7 to 8 -058.835. Then title 5, History of Netaji's family. So you see 9 to 9.52 is family history. Then we can put alphabetical device, that is NET for Netaji. So the class number will be 9 to 9.52 NET. So in this way, you can also construct history of Tagore's family by putting TAG. And title 6, Biography of J.L. Nehru. So the class number will be 9 to 9 is for biography, and the alphabetical device, that is NEH for Nehru. In this way, you can construct the class number of biography of Gandhi. So 9 to 9 GAN will be the class number. In title 7, Biography of Eminent Librarians of India. So there is a instruction, that is 9 to 9 is biography, then :02 for the subject library science. So and then put within parenthesis 5404 India. So the class number will be 9 to 9 :02 within parenthesis 540 for Biography of Eminent Librarians of India. Then title 8, History of Virginia States. So Virginia States in USA. So USA history is in 974 to 979, and there is a instruction, that is 974 to 979 subdivided as 74 to 79, and in this way we can construct the Virginia history, that is 975.5, that is Virginia. So 975.5 will be the history of the Virginia. Then title 9, that is Indian national flag. So you see the class number 929.921, that is the national flag, and we will put the class number of India from the place auxiliary within parenthesis 540. So the final class number will be 929.921 within parenthesis 540. Then title 10. So personal ornaments used by nomadic peoples in prehistoric time. You see the title, personal ornaments used by nomadic people in prehistoric time. So there is a class number, that is 903.25, personal ornaments in prehistoric time, and 903'15, that is the nomadic culture. So we can construct the class number, that is 903.25'15, that is personal ornament used by the nomadic people in prehistoric time. Okay, and there is an instruction you see in the schedule under 41 to 99, history of individual country, that is 941/99 is subdivided primarily according to the place, that is direct division, and secondarily according to the historical period. There is an instruction in the schedule. So again you see under the 954 there is a special auxiliary 954.02, Asian dynasty, European penetration in India, then 954.03, British India, then 954.04, independence and partition during 1947 and after. So in this way, using this instruction, you can construct these two class number. You see the title 11, History of West Bengal during independence and partition. So you see within parenthesis 541.23 is West Bengal in place common auxiliary. So using this class number we can construct history of West Bengal, that is 954.123, that is history of West Bengal. And you see the instruction, that is 954.04, that is independence and partition. So independence and partition, that is 954.04. So this special auxiliary will be used for 954.123. So the final class number will be 954.123.04. And title 12, History of Calcutta during Sepoy Mutiny. So you see 541.23 is West Bengal. Then we use alphabetical device, that is CALCUTTA Calcutta. So the Calcutta number will be within parenthesis 541.23 Calcutta. So 954.123 Calcutta will be the class number of history of Calcutta. And you see the special auxiliary under 954, that is the 954 special auxiliary 0.03 for British India, including East India Company, Sepoy Mutiny, etc. So we can use this special auxiliary to this number, that is history of Calcutta. So the final number will be 954.123 CALCUTTA.03. So these are basically different type of examples. So using this example, you can classify the following title of the books. So I have given here 10 titles. You see the titles: The Excavation of Iron Ores in the Hill Areas of Bihar during 1958 to 1963. Number 2, Bangla Band Music, Origin and Development during 1990s in Bangladesh and West Bengal. Then Chandrayaan, Indian Moon Mission during 2020s. Molecular structure of manganese chloride. This is from science, that is chemistry. Paintings of Maqbul Fida Hossain about Hindu god and goddess. Devdas, a Bengali fiction written by Sharat Chandra Chattopadhyay from literature. And critical appraisal of the Bengali fiction. This is also from Bengali literature. And geomorphology of the Gangetic Plain, a survey report. This class number will be at Geography. And history of Murshidabad district of West Bengal, taken from the history class. And biography of Amartya Sen, taken from Biography, History and Geography. Okay, so you just classify all these title according to the UDC and according to the go through this class. Okay, thank you everybody.